You flexing, bro?
Hey, what else am I gonna do, man? Gotta flex. You gotta flex. You know what I'm saying? Flex, flex. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time again. Okay, the fun moment, the crazy moment, the great moment, all in a good way. Because I am here with my dear friend Adam Handler, the top man, the personal injury attorney. We're live on Facebook, we're live on YouTube, we're live on 93.5 WVIP FM. It's been a great year so far because we're both alive, you're alive, we're all alive. And yes, we've had some accidents, but we've had Adam Handler taking care of us. Adam Handler, my attorney. What's up, Mr. Personal Injury Man?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler, ladies and gentlemen. We've been changing it up, and I like it. You never know when this show is going to pop on. That's why. What time do you start in the morning, Squeeze?
6 a.m., my brother.
6 a.m. So from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., you better be glued to your radio because you never know when the Cruising with the Case Handler is just going to jump off. Yesterday, we were on at 8:05. Actually, I was in the car yesterday listening. We did a pre-record, and I was listening to it. And you know what? I'm really, really proud of this show. I think it's wonderful radio. I think it's very informative. I think it gives people a very good sense as to who I am, what I do, and how I do it. And of course, I am your case handler. I'm Adam Handler, a third-generation personal injury attorney, and I would like to think I do it nothing short of exceptional. My number, let me give it out real quick just to let you know how to get in touch with me if God forbid you need me, is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. One more time, 844-774-3529. Or you can do what the 1,806 people did in the month of September. And you know what that is, Squeeze?
What is that?
Google the case handler. Over 1,800 people Googled the case handler in the month of September. That is unbelievable. And I thank you so very much for your support. Thank you so much for your confidence in my law practice. And we've been doing this, Squeeze, for almost 17 years. I've been on this radio station since September of 2005. Nobody going to take that away from your boy. The longest running attorney on this radio station, the most celebrated personal injury attorney on this radio station, often imitated, never duplicated. They call me the case handler, the beast, the shark, the hot stepper. Man, Squeeze, what a ride. What a ride. And you know what the best part of this ride has been?
What's that?
Not only that we've been doing it together, but the best part of this ride is that we've helped thousands and thousands and thousands of people obtain millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars when disaster struck, when they got in a terrible accident or somebody they love got in a terrible accident. And of course, Squeeze, regardless of immigration status, I am the personal injury attorney of New York and New Jersey, but I even like to break it down into a further subset of that. I am the voice of the people. I am the people's attorney, the voice of the Caribbean community, the voice of the immigrant community, those individuals who may not know where to turn when disaster strikes. They've come to me, and I've done nothing but exceptional legal work for them.
You are the man. Ladies and gentlemen, it's no joke. We don't joke around here unless it's in the real sense of humor, all right? But Adam Handler has been on the station close to 17 solid years. That's 93.5 WVIP FM in New York, of which I am a broadcaster. All right. And ladies and gentlemen, I would love for you all to actually store his number, but also, contact him. He said Google, he gave his phone number, but there's something called Instagram. There's something called Facebook, although they're changing up. I don't know if you know that, Adam.
I don't know that. We could talk about that in a minute. People direct message me every day with a question. I got a DM on my Instagram the other day. Somebody saying that their mother had a trip and fall at the Empire Casino, wanted my help. It was a great way to connect with me because I was able to just click on their number, give them a call from my cell phone, and I walked them through it.
And that's the reason why I want people to follow you on Instagram at The Case Handler. I want people to follow you on YouTube, on Facebook, The Case Handler. All right. Have you set up your LinkedIn account yet, man?
I did that years ago, but I don't know. Like, I thought LinkedIn is just so you can get a job.
No,
I don't need a job.
absolutely not. LinkedIn is equal to, believe it or not, Instagram and Facebook these days. You can go live on it. You can do all of that on it.
All right, I got to tune up my LinkedIn now, though. I do have to admit.
You need to tune up your social, man. What about Twitter? Are you on Twitter?
No.
Okay, we
Well,
got.
yes, we are on Twitter. But I
Come on,
don't
Ruti.
think-
Where are you, Ruti? Come on, Ruti. You are the social media queen. Where you at? All right.
Oh man,
Let's
you know
get
what?
our boy, the case handler, out there even more. Okay.
All this time I've been talking about how I love to help people, and now looking back, Squeeze, maybe I'm the one that needs the help.
Yeah, you need help, man. You need a lot of help when it comes to.
Oh God, I'll get this right eventually. Listen, just let me be the lawyer, all right, and I'll let somebody else handle the social. How's that sound?
All right, not a problem. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Today, I want true success stories. All right, I want as many true success stories as you can squeeze in, whether it's by the audio of what people have said about you, the case handler, and your team, whether it's by, of course, you demonstrating true success stories on your website, thecasehandler.com, you being a top personal injury attorney, whether it's by people calling in and saying, hey, I want to get on with Adam and Squeeze at 212-380-7772. That's my cell number. If you call that, I can pop you on with Adam Handler. But once again, this show is about accidents. If you get hurt in an accident, you need a very powerful and exceptional attorney. Very powerful one. And one that did not just get on the station a couple of years ago. One that did not get on the station 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. One that's been on the station well over a decade and a half. And that's the reason why I want for you all to store his number now. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. I'm a broadcaster, been on the station since September of 1996. You have been on the station of September of
2005, 16 years.
2005. And we're here serving the community. We have been serving the immigrant community and beyond. And we love what Adam Handler has done. All right. We're not just a bunch of dudes on the station trying to, just get on and joke around every morning. We're very serious about you. So stories number 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. Now let's go to the website, thecasehandler.com, for the personal injury attorney, Adam Handler.
And I love this website. I love the website. I love Facebook, I love Instagram, just because it's the best possible way for me to really highlight the work we do. Coming on the radio every day is important because you hear our voice, it's repetition, we're out there, you hear about the true life success stories, but there's something about seeing it. And I really do believe that my biggest verdicts in court, right? Because you all know I'm a trial attorney and I take cases all the way to trial. My best work is done when I have solid evidence, when I have videos, when I have photographs, when I have a box of medical records to show the jury, because people want to see it if they're truly going to believe it. Back in the day when my grandfather or my father was trying cases, we didn't have this technology. Maybe there would be a photograph of a vehicle, one photograph, right? Or some medical records, but there was never a dash cam or a ring video or a city surveillance video or videos of people having surgery, things like that. That's what we're able to do these days through technology, and it's a very powerful medium. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't expect you to take my word for it. I don't even expect you to take a Squeeze or the other DJs on this radio station that have endorsed me my entire career, their word for it. You can hear us out. Take the word of those individuals who never in a million years expected they get into an accident and then a terrible thing befell their family and they came to seek out my legal services. And you can check that out on the social media and on thecasehandler.com. Squeeze. And if I could just highlight a case, every week we like to highlight a true life success story.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
You got to check it. This was a rollover accident. This is a woman that's driving down the street. Another car runs a stop sign, plows right into her car, flips over. Look at this, Squeeze. Look at the damage on this car.
Man, I'm surprised. She lived.
I mean,
Look,
can you
look
just
at the
describe that
windshield.
damage for everybody listening right now?
Yeah, I mean the hood of the car is all torn up. The windshield is busted completely. The glass is completely gone. The side of did this car flip?
Yeah, flipped over.
Evidently, because it's all torn up, man, mangled. It's unbelievable.
And a confidential settlement, a serious number, of course, for a serious accident. And Squeeze, if you can read that quote for me, please.
Okay, it says here, Adam and Sandra are an amazing team. They did a great job, and I highly recommend the case handler, in uppercase, to everyone. Anne-Marie from Brooklyn. Confidential settlement, which to me means a ton load of cash.
Big dollars. And we couldn't be happier for her. This was a case that the accident was back in 2018. We actually went to arbitration on this case over the summer. Geico was the insurance for the other vehicle. They refused to take responsibility. They said that Anne-Marie was speeding and that's why it caused the accident, which is complete BS. And, we were able to do some incredible things for her. So I'm really happy for her. Love that picture. Love those smiling faces. Even though we're wearing masks, you can see the smiles under that mask. And Squeeze, that's just what we do, man. It's real life success stories. It's not just an attorney on the radio station telling you how good they are. It's an attorney on this radio station showing you how great they are. And there's a big difference there. And, I always love playing, I
was just about to say, take us out with one of those audios.
Of course.
So we're here today at Adam Handler office to collect our settlement. And I must tell you that we are very pleased for the work that he and his crew did. I would definitely recommend this lawyer to anyone out there who has an accident. I really didn't have to call Adam to ask much question because he's always texting me or calling me to give an update on my case. So I'm very pleased today. I'm here with my husband and I'm telling you, we're going home very happy. So if you're out there and you ever got into an accident, the first person you call is Adam Handler.
I live for these, man.
I got so many. It's not even funny.
So I'm super excited today. Very thankful and grateful for Pollock and Pollock, Matthew, and very kind, very nice, called me every step of the way, and I appreciate them. I'm very grateful and just thankful.
Hi, my name is Marcia. I had an accident in 2020, May, and I was referred to Mr. Adam Handler, by my friend. I am so grateful to Mr. Handler. He's a great attorney. He does things from the heart. Right now, I'm very teary-eyed because of the good work he has done for me. I would recommend him to anybody that needs an attorney. He is number one. He's truthful and he's so honest. He stays with you. He calls you so often to tell you what's going on. He doesn't avoid your calls. You call him, he will respond to you. I'm so grateful that I found him.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, this is all good stuff, man. This is the real deal. This is why I do it. This is why I do it.
Wow, man. Every time I hear those true success stories, it really makes me feel completely different and appreciate you even more for what you've been doing for this community more than any other attorney that has been on this station. And that is the reason why I will forever endorse you, Adam. And I also want to say thanks to all the people who are silently endorsing you because they have to, because of whatever arrangements they're in. But I would say all your true success stories and the people who listen to this station, they don't necessarily need a Squeeze to convey that to them. They don't necessarily need you, Adam, to convey that to them. I mean, the truth and the proof is in the pudding, which happens to be your clients who get on and say wonderful and powerful things about you, being yourself, being honest to the people, helping the people giving them the help that they truly need. And I want to say thank you, man.
Oh man, it's my absolute pleasure. This is what I was born to do. Like I said, third generation attorney. It's in my blood. It's all I've ever wanted to do, and it's been an unbelievable ride so far. I'm so very blessed with a community that's embraced me. I like to think that I've embraced the community right back. And ladies and gentlemen, just lock in that number. Again, my phone number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Just dial it right now. Let it ring a few times. It's saved in your phone. Save it as Adam Attorney or Case Handler or whatever you want to save it as. But just dial that number just so you have it handy. I mean, people before their kids go to college are putting my phone number in their phone if, God forbid, they're ever in a situation. It's not just an accident. You know, I get calls about half of the calls I get a week are things that aren't even accident related, because people have a legal issue and they don't know where to turn, and I'm able to either help them in my firm, because we are a full service law firm, or find the right fit for them. A criminal case, a family case, a real estate matter, a landlord tenant issue, somebody, a business dispute. It's very, very rare that you can find a professional, that you can find an attorney that really has your best interests at heart. And that's really, I cannot be any more sincere, Squeeze, than when I say I want everybody to have the best possible chance to rectify a bad situation. Again, my name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. My phone number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. The phones are already starting to ring. I do appreciate it. People locking that number in. Hopefully you never need it. God forbid you do. I will do exactly for you as I've done for thousands of people before, and that's provide the best possible legal representation, of course, regardless of your immigration status.
Thank you so much, Adam Handler, attorney at law at the firm Pollock, Isaac, and Lusico, where he is a partner. I want to say thanks to Matt Goodstein and your entire team, Sandra, and of course your marketing extended family, us here at Link Up Media.
Yep.
And
hey,
also,
listen, it takes a village, right?
It takes a village, man. And we want to say thanks mostly to every single listener and client of yours that have supported you, the longest running consistent attorney on 93.5 WVIP FM, and probably now on Facebook consistently. And I want to say thanks for everything you have done for a people. With that said, I am David Squeezanica, CEO of the Link Up Media group of companies. And I'd love for everyone to have this number just in case you need the attorney, the personal injury attorney, the case handler. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. 844-774-3529. Every one of you, have yourself an amazing day. And remember to push. Pray until something happens. Thank you so much, Adam.
Later, brother.